I think one of the things that happened to me early on in my life that helps me relate to my clients is that I found myself in their shoes. I blew out a disc in my back, and I went from being incredibly physically fit, a member of the military, engaged in counseling juvenile delinquents at an outdoor school, to being hobbled up and not being able to continue in my chosen profession. And I went through all the struggles that they do, the emotional turmoil, the physical pain, financial strain of trying to find your way back to some sense of normalcy. And I don't think that's ever really left me. So I came to KBG because I had an opportunity to do what I wanted to do, which was to represent real people. It weighed on me that if I went and worked with an insurance company, that I would continue to beat up on people who were already down, all to save a corporation a few bucks. I don't think any amount of plaintiffs' veterans benefits work would have made up for that. Here, I get to have a positive effect on people's lives. At the end of the day, when you try to select a lawyer, you want a lawyer that you trust, who cares about you as a person and truly has your best interest at heart. And it's hard to know who to turn to. Sometimes it's just a personal connection that you have to make when you sit down and talk to the attorney for the first time. And you have to walk away from that as a client feeling good that you've selected somebody who has your back. I hear people say to me all the time, "Boy, you don't seem like a lawyer. I've never met a lawyer like you." And that's because we try to be human first and lawyers second. And far too many lawyers, they go to law school and they think they have to be this officious, stiff, logical machine. And yes, we can do that, but we want to be people.